Again and again, business are hit hard. Business is going to be very, very badly affected. Anyone in business will be facing lots of challenge because of the current situation, be it in the health space or the economy space in Asia. This is going to be a very, very important time for us to explore what next is possible in business. Even if you're an employee, you are working for a business, my friend. What are we going to do about it? This is Dr. Aziza Jalaluddin, founder of Go Global Business School. In this podcast, I want to share with you getting clear of what is the business you are in and what is the business that will create a sustainable, predictable business model for you despite any challenges that can be going around. Now, there's two parts to this conversation. One is the intrinsic part that we want to explore as a human being. What are the emotions that you are coping up with and you need to cope up with when conditions beyond our control takes place? The other side is the extrinsic part. What needs to be done in terms of the action plan in such a situation of where things are not within our control. So this is something that you want to look at very deeply in your business and in your life. Even as employees, remember, I want to reiterate, you are working for a business. So in the event that your business, your employer is affected, you are affected very badly. And when you look at it, when someone is fully exposed to situations that's beyond our control, we become frantic, panicky, and anxiety comes in. We feel that we cannot cope with the situation, and that's where depression and suicidal thoughts come in. From a space of someone who has been through such emotions, I have to say that this is everything that we are telling ourselves that ends us up in that space of not being able to control our emotions. So what is it that we can do in terms of getting stronger in our convictions, in our own journey of fulfilling our business and our life mission, which needs to be the focus? So this gives us a chance to really grow our inner strength, to grow our inner capacity in our self-esteem and self-worth issues, as well as self-confidence. So this is a good time for you to relook at how strong you are. So how strong are you inside? How much are you affected by external stories and conversations? And how are you going to move away from being panicky? So as we look at the intrinsic space of growth that we need to have, now the most important extrinsic space of growth that we need to explore, which is the action plan and the strategies. So this is something that you need to look at very clearly from a business perspective on how your own space can be expanded or innovated, or in other words, become much more bigger than what you think you are. So that is the only way you can move forward with a clear model of what needs to be done for your business. I dare to challenge any businesses to innovate themselves, because at this moment, it's that crucial. Most importantly, we are looking at technology as a form of growth for yourself, and also what else can be done in your business that can work without you, with a system in place, without you being present, and income is still generated. So with people, so how do we work with people? I saw a message on F&B business being affected. So what shall we do about that? Is it that people are going to stop eating? What else can be done to make sure that the business gets going? It is not the survival of the fittest. It is the survival of the knowings. So if you are someone who really know, when I say know, is really being wise and also intelligent in the way we reach out to people and do business with them, despite any form of disruption to the environment, right? So this is something that you want to look at. If you're someone who have been having these thoughts at the back of your mind, this is the time. This is the time right now for you to step up your game in your mind, in growing yourself and building your confidence and your self-esteem and self-worth to take the next level of growth. And this is the time for you to really step up your business model and the way that you are conducting your business to a whole new level, that it will serve you for your highest good in your business and your life. We look forward to catching up with everyone who wants to take their growth to a whole new level of clear and distinction. Type Go Global in the comment below and get in touch with us. We will be glad to be of service to you. Talk to you soon. Have a blessed day.